Hey everyone, we're gonna change the oil on our S180 John Deere. My third son's here, he's gonna help us. Okay, so we'll show you that right away.
First thing we gotta do is we gotta take this bolt out here, okay? And then take this side panel off to get at the oil filter and the drain plug. This is an 8mm, so take that off, Connor. Use the, go back and forth with the ratchet. Like, yeah, there you go. All right, we've got that bolt out. Now this cover just comes off, and the bolt has a little retainer washer on the back. Connor, so let's look over here. Yeah, so there's the drain. Okay, so let's get this bolt out, and then we'll drain the oil. I'll find a bucket in the meantime. Okay, got the right side panel off, and if you go back through my videos, you'll see how we converted this to off the easy oil change system. So this did come with that easy oil change filter thing. There we go. And the oil's fairly warm, so we'll let that drain. This engine takes, let's see if it'll focus here, 1.8 to 1.9 liters. Here's the filter that came with the conversion kit. But I did some cross-referencing, and you can get this filter, pH 3614. So it's a little deeper, okay, and it filters a lot better. And what I found was this was just basically a, I can't quite remember, Champion filter or something like that, but this has better filtration anyways, and it's half the price. These are like $12 to $20. This thing was $7 or $8, so we're gonna put this guy on. You filming? Mm-hmm. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drill a little hole in this filter to drain, because if I don't want it, the brunt of the oil comes out all over the frame. So just gonna give this a quick drill here. Try and get most of that oil out of the filter. Can you see anything coming out, Connor? Get a little closer there. I think it's draining. Probably didn't need to do that, but I'd rather, it only took a second, so. Oh, there. You see that? Mm-hmm. That helped it a lot. Okay, so we'll let that filter drain for a few more seconds, and then we're going to spin it off. Is it still dripping?
Yeah.
All right. So we need the small filter wrench, okay? Alright, there. Broke that filter loose. Gonna spin it off. Just careful where you drilled. It might be some shards there. And we got a bit more flow happening. Yeah, it's not a very good design, but oh well. And you want to put some oil on that. Okay. So this helps it spin on easier, and it helps seat that gasket. Okay, does that make sense? So we're going to spin this guy on here. So what it says, Connor, is get it hand tight. Like this, okay? And then you spin it like a quarter turn. Quarter to a half turn extra. All right, she's on. That ain't coming off. All right, here's the oil we got. Okay, just regular 10W30. I think we've got clean that up. So I like to wipe this all off. And then after you run it for a few hours, you can look down here to make sure you're not leaking oil, okay? And fill it up to about there, and then we'll check the oil level. All right. So I bought 2 filters and 5 liters. So this will give us 2 oil changes, okay? And what's smart is if you wait till the stuff goes on sale. Okay, I think that's about 1.9. Fill it up, and then we'll check the oil level. Got some air in there. Pretty easy, huh? You see those lines there, Connor?
Yeah.
So the bottom one means you're low on oil. So, okay, so you gotta add a bit of oil. Let's see what it is here. Let's see what we're at. Oh look, we're perfect. We're right on the line. Can you see it in the video? You see that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So check the oil again. So start it up. Is the brake on? No, brake's on. Yeah, there. Start it up. Remember to swing it back and forth. No, hold it up. Remember how I showed you? Look, like this. Hold it like this. Okay? In the palm of your hand, and yeah, there you go. 10W30. Use that Fram oil filter. It'll save you half the price of that John Deere one. And we'll start making some more videos soon. I had to take a break from the videos. So anyways, see you on the next one.